but this is not the proper process to open the page, so I'm closing this. I again going to tell you that don't open this and open in new window, because now my HTML page means my server and client are on the same machine, same laptop. That's why only I am able to go to that folder, right click and open. But is it possible to you to go to the server in practice, in practical, in real life? Server is not to us. So from today itself, keep the habit not to go to the folder and right click open. Then how to run? Then how to run the web page? So see, if you observe on this left hand side, there are again some options. First is explore. Second is search. Third is source control. Fourth, run and debug. And fifth, extensions. Right now, concentrate on extensions. So I will go to the extension. Here you can search for a different extensions which will be helpful for you while developing the website, along with this editor, Visual Studio Code editor. So from that, for now, I'm going to use one server software. It is not a Tomcat, not Apache. This is the server software which is implemented by this Visual Studio Code, and that is called as Live Server. Live Server. Are you able to see? When I am typing Live Server, it is showing me different options. Correct? Yes, give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand? I have gone to extension and there I have typed Live Server. Now you can observe here. Actually, I have installed the Live Server. I have installed that Live Server. So there is no install button. But when first time you are going for this, you will get an install button like this. Install it, but for installation, make sure that your internet connection is on. Then that Live Server will be installed. So this is the server which we are going to use. Fine. Now for disable and enable, here is the button if you want to stop the Live Server. If you don't, then no problem. Okay. So we are going to use the Live Server extension. Okay, it is enabled. Now I'm going to close this. Whenever I will right click on this page, you will find one option here, open with Live Server. Are you able to see it? Open with Live Server.
Yes, sir.
In the code, I'm going for a right click and open in Live Server. Before clicking on that, please concentrate on this bottom line, blue line. It is showing line number, column number, where my cursor is, how many spaces, which encoding I am using, HTML. Correct? Now when I will start the Live Server, here will be the changes on the bottom line. So please observe and tell me what you noted. I'm going for right click and open with Live Server. So it is shown that server is started at port number 5500, and automatically it opened one browser. Now by default, this browser is set, so it opened this browser. Browser means server or client. Browser means server or client. Yes. Sorry. Is this window? Okay, client. Correct. So if you observe here, this is the URL, and see, in this, first is the protocol HTTP, then next is the IP address of the server, IP address of the server. You might have learned this in CN that IP address of itself, by default, own IP address is the machine's own IP address. You can refer as 127.0.0.1, or in words, you can use that as a local host. Local host means the same machine server, same machine IP, and either you can type localhost or you can type 127.0.0.0 or 1. Sorry, last is 1. Then after colon it is a 5500. This is the port number on which the server is listening the request of the client. Port number, and this is the page which is displayed. Okay, is it fine to you all? Same, I can open in another browser also. Not need now. I will move further. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to this. So see here, change port. It is displaying. Yes. Have you observed? Port is displayed here. Correct. So this indicates that your live server is on. Next, what is the use of live server? See, ultimately you can open some another window, browser window, and you can see the changes. Let's see, suppose, actually I'm trying to make it short, but it is not happening. So I'm changing the browser. I'm closing it. I have copied that URL. Now I'm going to use that in some another window. Let's say this. Okay. Are you able to see this window now? This is the browser which is showing the output, and this is my source code. Is it fine? Is it fine to you all? Give me the reply with voice, because I'm not able to see that screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to add one more tag, head. Inside that I'm going to add title, and let's say first web page. This is my title. Fine. Okay, so that title you can see here. The title you can now observe here. First web page. Yes. Are you able to see that? First web page. This is the use of title tag to display the title of the page. Then I'm going to write a body tag. I'm sure that you all are quite mature to understand head and body are two different parts. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
That's why head tag, it should complete, and then only body tag should start. Please don't do this silly mistake that you are writing the body inside the head. Yes. And here I'm going to write welcome. Okay. So see, suppose I'm going to write one more thing. This is my first web. Are you observing? It is automatically reflecting in the right side browser. Are you getting me? Automatically this is shown, whatever changes I am doing. Please give me reply. Are you able to observe this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the use of
Yes,
live
sir.
server. This is the use of live server. See, it will save your maximum time, developers maximum time to minimize one window, minimize the coding window, and open the browser window, check the output. No need. Automatically, without refresh, it will show the your updated contents. That is the use of live server. That is the use of live server. I hope you understand it, importance, and how it will be helpful for you. Yes,
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 sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, great. So this is the simple HTML structure. One more thing I want to show you some important trick. If you go to the file, if you go to the file menu of the editor, you can see here auto save option. Are you observing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Make it on so that you don't have to take care about the saving. Automatically, it will save the typed contents. Yes, tell me, do you like this feature?
Yes, yes, sir.
How much time will be saved, and you don't have to care. Many times we forget to save the code at the instantly light goes off and your contents are not there. But see, this is a very good feature this Visual Studio Code give. So don't forget to make it on at the first itself so that you don't have to take care about the saving the page. uh, along with that, I think if you go in the preferences, if you go in the preferences, see, you can change the color themes. Now, as per your interest, you can go for different color themes. I hope you're observing this, whatever I'm changing. Color theme. Some may like this dark. So it is up to your interest. You can use which or dark you like or white you like. I always prefer to go for white, but it is our choice, which is good to your eyes. Accordingly, you can set the themes. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Great. So this is the beginning. Uh, because of this showing the editor and all those things, I'm not able to go for more coding today. Just a minute. But I think this is enough to start typing the HTML page. Definitely, from tomorrow's session, we will go for more and more contents, more coding actual practice. But by that time, I do expect that you all should set you all should set these things and be ready. At this stage, you don't have to install any server. You just have to install only Visual Studio Code. Make sure that it should be a make sure that it should be a latest version. It should be a latest version of a Visual Studio Code, so you will get the latest features. Again, I will suggest that be hungry to see more extensions of Visual Studio Code, which is you can see on the web what are the different extensions on the in Visual Studio Code, or what are the different options which make the development fast. Like I have shown you live server and autosave. Yes. So today we will stop here. I'm going to take the attendance. If that student is present, has to say yes. Okay. I will go roll number wise. 301 Bankar Ashwini.
Present.
Please give me the attendance. Now no one else will type in the chat box. Let me take the attendance. No need to type the attendance. Please stop writing yes. You have to give orally the attendance. Bankar Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Bapkar Komal.
Yes, sir.
Please stop writing yes. I want to observe the voice that will be reflected on the screen. Really, that person is present or not. Bosle Snehal.
Yes, sir.
Bhujbal Avinash. Samre Namrata. Samre Namrata. Devkati Pritam. Devkati Pritam. Dame Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Dhanavde Saidi. Komal. Komal Bise. Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Dhanavde Saidi is there. Dudha Jyoti. Dudha Jyoti. Dudhe Ashish. Dudhe Ashish. Fund Meghraj. Fund Meghraj. गाडेकर मयूरी. गाडेकर मयूरी. गायकवाड संकेत.
Yes, sir.
गायकवाड श्रद्धा.
Yes, sir.
गावडे पल्लवी. गावडे पल्लवी. गाडगे सुरभी. गाडगे सुरभी. गिरीमकर माधुरी.
Present, sir.
गुणवरे निशा.
Yes, sir.
गुणवरे निशा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. इंदलकर काजल. इंदलकर काजल. जाधव कोमल.
Present, sir.
जाधव मिनी.
Yes, sir.
जगदाळे पूजा.
Yes, sir.
जगताप अंकिता.
Yes, sir. Present.
जगताप दीप्ति. जगताप दीप्ति. जगताप प्राजक्ता.
Yes, sir.
जगताप ऋतुजा.
Yes, sir.
जगताप सौरभ. जगताप सौरभ. जानकर अनिकेत. जानकर अनिकेत. जठा वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir.
कदम अनिकेत. कदम अनिकेत. कदम उज्ज्वल.
Sir.
कदम विनय. कदम विनय. काळे निकिता.
Yes, sir.
काळे वैभव. काळे वैभव. कलेल ऐश्वर्या. ऐश्वर्या कलेल. कांबळे प्रज्ञा.
Yes, sir.
काशीद ऋतुजा.
Yes, sir.
केंद्रे संजना. केंद्रे संजना. खामकर तेजस.
Yes, sir.
कोळेकर पंकज.
Yes, sir.
कोरे अस्मिता.
Yes, sir.
विद्या.
Present, sir.
कुलते कृष्णा. कुलते कृष्णा. कुंभार वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir.
मकर कुणाल. मकर कुणाल. Maskar Saili. Maskar Saili. Mengji Manmant.
Present, sir.
Morris Nehal. Morris Nehal. Nalgi Rutuja.
Yes, sir.